Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. In the following video I wanted to talk to you about AltStore. So I've been using this lately and I must say that I absolutely enjoy it, and I've heard that many of you wanted the AltStore on iOS, so finally it is here. So in order to start using it, first things first, head over to your settings, scroll down, head over to apps and search for App Store. Okay, then go all the way down and make sure that the offload unused apps is turned off. This is key. After you've done this, search for Safari. Okay, then go all the way down, go to advanced and make sure that the JavaScript is turned on. This is important. After you've done this, open up your browser and type in tweakmate.com. Okay guys, so tweakmate.com. And now once you're here, use the search bar and type in AltStore. Okay, and now press on it, press install, and it will start installing this app on your iOS or Android, depending on what you are using. And guys, I cannot vouch enough for TweakMate. They've been nothing short of great at providing different tweaked apps which are not available on the App Store. And the best part is that so far none of them have been revoked, which is a huge plus. Okay, so let's give it a few more seconds here. Okay, now press allow, close, go back to your settings, then head over to general, VPN and device management, and you will see right here AltStore. Press on it, now press install, type in your passcode, and voila guys, now you will have it on your home screen. What you need to do right now is open up the app, and then you will be redirected to a page with a list of offers. Make sure that you follow the instructions correctly and complete at least 3 offers. Some of them are apps, some of them are offers, but do make sure that you follow the instructions correctly for each and every one of them. I've already done this and it took me like a couple of minutes. After this, just restart your phone and then you should be able to use the AltStore on your iOS or Android. Okay guys, also if you've got apps, make sure that you open them for at least 30 seconds here from the list. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys very soon again. Peace.